In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get a Monzo loan with a low credit score. If your credit history isn't perfect, don't worry. You can still improve your chances by showing consistent, responsible banking habits and applying in a way that suits Monzo's checks. I'll guide you through what to look for, how to prepare, and how to apply confidently inside the app. First, check if you're eligible. Open the Monzo app and look for loan offers or an eligibility checker. Availability can vary by customer, and Monzo updates it over time, so if you don't see an offer today, you might later. Make sure your profile details, address, income, and employment are up to date, because lenders use this to assess affordability. Eligibility tools may give a quote without affecting your score, while a full application usually involves a hard credit search. Next, use Monzo regularly. Route your income through the account, pay bills from it, and keep day-to-day spending consistent. Regular activity helps demonstrate stability and makes it easier for Monzo to evaluate you. Avoid unplanned overdrafts and keep your balance positive, especially around bill dates. Now, improve your credit score. Even small wins help. Pay every bill on time, reduce credit card balances so your utilization is low, and check your credit report for errors. Registering your address and limiting new credit applications in the short term can also make a meaningful difference. When you're ready, apply within your limit. If Monzo shows you a maximum amount, consider asking for less and pick a term with payments you can comfortably afford. Smaller loans and realistic terms can reduce risk and the chance of a decline. Before you confirm, review details carefully. Look at the APR, the monthly payment, the total amount you'll repay, and the repayment date each month. Check any fees or conditions, including what happens if you make extra payments or clear the loan early. Make sure it fits your budget with a little buffer for unexpected expenses. Apply in the Monzo app. Tap loans, adjust the amount and term, and follow the prompts. You may be asked to confirm income or provide consent for credit checks. Keep your information accurate. This speeds up the decision and avoids issues later. Finally, maintain a good repayment history. Set reminders or automatic payments. Keep enough in your account on the due date and avoid missing installments. Over time, solid repayment can improve both your credit profile and your future borrowing options. That's it. Follow these steps, stay consistent, and you'll give yourself the best shot at securing a Monzo loan, even with a lower credit score.